Hi everybody, I'm Mark, and today I recorded this video to tell you everything you need to know about hyperbolic stretching before you actually buy this product. Plus, I have two very important warnings. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about hyperbolic stretching is to be careful when buying this product, because it's only sold on the official site. Many people sell fake products. I have already fallen into a scam and lost my money on a fake product. So I will leave the official site link here in the description below for you to know where to buy hyperbolic stretching safely. So guys, now I'm going to explain what hyperbolic stretching is and if it really works or not. Hyperbolic stretching is a complete solution for increasing body flexibility in both men and women. This is a 4-week online program that will help you achieve total body flexibility, strong pelvic muscles, and improved overall health. It provides straightforward, simple to follow, step-by-step video training. It has been discovered that both men and women can benefit from the hyperbolic stretching program. As of yet, no negative impacts from utilizing this program have been reported. This method is used by yoga instructors, athletes, and martial artists all around the world, as well as in gyms. The strength of the pelvic floor muscles is also strengthened via hyperbolic stretching. This program tackles the underlying issue behind a person's lack of physical flexibility. Hyperbolic stretching is one of the most popular non-invasive courses available for enhancing body flexibility and muscle coordination. This training teaches you how to perform specific warm-up stretches before playing tennis, golf, or running. You will benefit from increased body flexibility as well as better static and dynamic performance. The goal of the hyperbolic stretching program is to inhibit the survival muscle reflex, also known as reciprocal muscle inhibition, which hinders your muscle from working to its full potential. This program is meant to bring about a permanent solution, not just a temporary fix like most other programs. There are many people who have great results with hyperbolic stretching, and you can get results as well. Hyperbolic stretching can be used risk-free for 60 days with the guarantee of a full refund. I really hope this hyperbolic stretching review video helped you. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link to the official website in the video description.